So this is a case of death under suspicious unnatural circumstances. This gentleman was lying at some place, at some gully, some lane, and see the body has decomposed. The process of decomposition has started. We have started with this midline incision, and see the there is marbling over the upper trunk, upper front of upper chest, shoulders. There is marbling. This is a sign of decomposition. And see the black eye, there must be some element of assault. And see, we have opened this midline incision, we have opened the abdominal cavity, and there is gaseous distension. There is escape of abdominal gas. So this is a sign of decomposition, and we have to take the viscera for chemical analysis, which is to be sent to FSL for chemical analysis. So we have taken out spleen and stomach. Stomach is empty. The mucosa is absolutely normal. Stomach is empty, completely empty, and we have taken out a portion of spleen. We will take out a portion of liver. Liver is congested. This gallbladder is distended. Just see the gallbladder. Yes. So this is right kidney. Right kidney is also congested. All the viscera is congested. Most probably this gentleman is under the influence of some toxic element. This is a portion of small gut. So we have taken all these abdominal viscera which are relevant for FSL. We have to send these to FSL to rule out any intoxication, any drug overdose, and for chemical analysis. We are taking 5 cc of blood in an EDTA vial, which is also to be sent to FSL. So we have examined his skull. There is no evidence of any fracture, and there is discharge of blood from the nostrils and eyes. They are these are all the signs of decomposition. Otherwise nothing significant. No signs of assault. And there is marbling over the chest. As you can see, there is marbling over the chest, and you can see the skin over the back. There are air vesicles over the back. So these are all signs of putrefaction, signs of decomposition. Otherwise nothing significant. So with due respect, we'll clean up the body and wrap it up and hand it over to the investigating officer for his last rites. Nothing from this case. As you can see, the opinion has to be reserved, as we have taken out the viscera for FSL. We'll wait till we get the reports from FSL, and then we'll give the final opinion. So most probably in this case, the death is due to some intoxication. As you can see, the body is decomposed, and there is gross putrefaction, and the viscera is grossly congested. Otherwise, we don't find any signs of struggle over the body. There is some peeling of skin, but this is a post-mortem artifact. You cannot confuse it with antemortem abrasion. This is a post-mortem artifact, and something very significant in this case is marbling. That is very much clearly appreciable in this case. So that's it from this case. And again, the purpose of making this video is entirely academic. I always mention in all my previous videos, I have mentioned that I make the videos only for academic purpose, nothing else. We do respect the cadavers, and with due respect, again, we'll hand it over to the family, to the investigating officer for his last rites. That's it from this case. Thank you so much.